The following portion of Bloom is sponsored by Probiora Health.
Welcome back to Bloom. Oral health is important to all age groups, but even more important as we age. The key is prevention, which in many cases is better than treatment. Joining us to discuss what you can do to prevent future problems is General Dentist Dr. James Carreiro. Welcome to Bloom, Doctor.
Welcome. Thank you for having me, Gail.
So, Dr. Carreiro, why is visiting the dentist so important, especially as we age?
Well, first of all, it's well established now in literature that the mind-body connection is there, with the mouth-body connection, with the oral health having effects on other systemic areas. So visiting the dentist on a regular basis is important for all patients so they can be screened for the risk for various disorders such as dental decay, gum disease, oral cancer, and other conditions such as clenching and brushing their teeth, which is very prominent in the population right now, especially since we've had the COVID outbreak.
Yeah, and to your point, doctor, I mean, our oral health can be a window to our overall health. And as we age, why do seniors need to worry more about their oral health?
Well, first of all, seniors now are retaining their teeth throughout life. The days of getting your teeth extracted and just having dentures are over, especially now with our baby boomer population who have been benefited from the years of preventive care. We're seeing still more dental decay, more gum disease, more issues with bite and other oral disorders in addition to oral infections. So as we age, like the rest of the body, things change. The circulation of the teeth changes. Years of wear and tear of chewing and bruxing wear down the outer surface of the teeth, which is the enamel. So your dentist has to evaluate that on a regular basis and establish what your risk factors are for more serious conditions and also develop a preventive plan for that individual.
I'm glad you brought up the old school way, like my late Nana Katie. She used to put her dentures in a cup next to her on the nightstand. Now seniors, as you said, are keeping their teeth. What kind of preventative measures are you using to treat your patients?
Well, the one thing that we do in our practice is we have some very good products that we work with. One of them is oral probiotic, which basically is similar to the gut probiotics, where you introduce a healthy level of bacteria into the mouth, and that creates a population shift. So it's a tremendous benefit for fighting dental decay, gum inflammation, and really just allowing the patients to have a healthier oral environment. We see great success with this, and we are starting to move that into some of our nursing homes and assisted living facilities.
And so what age should we start thinking about products like you mentioned? I of course heard of probiotics for, good gut health, but this is incredible that you can use it for good oral health.
Well, we like to start the children on it, depending on what their risk factor is. Just like other disease processes in the body, when the dentist does a comprehensive exam and takes a full history, you evaluate what the patient's risk factors are and then address accordingly. And that's why a probiotic such as Probiora is a good product to be able to combat and prevent any future problems, especially in our children, also in our seniors. In fact, right now, the decay rate among seniors is just as high as school children.
Wow. And you just take this product home, it's easy to use?
It's easy to use. It's a mint. You just put in your mouth. It dissolves. You take it before bed, and it has a taste to it that one has to acquire. But we're really seeing some very good results with it. So I'm very excited about it. And in addition, the science behind this is very well documented. And this actually is a Florida-based product. It was developed up in Gainesville and in the Tampa area.
That is fantastic. Well, doctor, I really am so impressed to meet a doctor like yourself who's all about prevention. And thank you for sharing all this exciting news about Probiora.
Okay, great.
All right. And if you want more information, you can visit probiorahealth.com and use promo code BLOOM10 to receive your special offer of 10% discount. There's more Bloom ahead, so stick around.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by Probiora Health.